My name is Silvia Corrochano, team member of the COVID-19PATGENOME project. The problem that arises with the COVID pandemic is the great clinical heterogeneity observed in the degree of severity found in the population, which could go from asymptomatic to very severe and even death. There are very well-known factors such as older age and diabetes that impact greatly in the clinical outcome of the virus infection. Still, those factors cannot explain the whole of this variation. For example, severe cases in younger people with no previous health condition, or even the variation observed amongst countries. What we propose here is that the genetic background of an individual is another important determinant of the clinical outcome. The solution that we bring here is a bioinformatic analysis of the massive sequencing genomic data from the COVID-19 patients with different degree of affection in order to identify this causal role of the genes in the different outcomes. We are a multidisciplinary team of 8 people made up largely by bioinformaticians and basic researchers. We had the minimum resources to start the project, bioinformatic resources, which will be improved once we are awarded. The requirements for this project will be to facilitate the sequencing data from the different type of patients affected by COVID in the format of FASTQ sequencing files with all the legal permissions requirements associated to that. The possibilities of scaling this project to another level, even worldwide, are extraordinary, and this methodology doesn't need a pre-validation, as it's been going and implemented in multiple studies for years now, can be applied to any other research project in the world. Our project is viable and is very much needed to better understand these heterogeneous responses observed and design effective treatment based on specific requirements for the patients, as well as preventive measurements. Thank you.